Hey guys, my name is Maya Galore, and today we are going to be creating a beautiful cranberry fall look for Friendsgiving using some amazing bareMinerals products. Let's hop right into this tutorial. So the first product we're going to jump into today is the Brow Master, and this is in the shade Coffee. So I am going to take this Brow Master and just start to fill in my brows. I always love to start with brows first because I feel like it just shapes the face and kind of gives me an idea of where the whole look is going. So now that I have the brows filled in, I'm going to flip it over and go on the spoolie side and just start to blend my brows into the product. Next, we're gonna move right on to eyes. We are gonna be using the Bounce and Blur eyeshadow palette, and this is in Dusk. And the shades in this palette are inspired by the sunset at dusk, and they're just absolutely beautiful shades. Like I said, this is gonna be a natural wash of color in cranberry. So we are gonna go into the shade right here in the middle, which is Crimson Sun. And this also is a fingertip friendly palette as well. So we are gonna just take our index finger and dip into that shade and just wipe it across the lid. With the Expert shadow and liner brush on the liner side, of course, we are gonna dip into the shade here on the end, and this is Purple Twilight. And we are gonna use this shade just to create a liner across the lash line. And we're gonna focus this in the middle of the lash line all the way out. So before we finish off the eyes, we are going to finish off complexion. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the BARESKIN Complete Coverage Serum Concealer, and this one is in the shade Dark to Deep. And this is a full coverage concealer with a very natural finish, but I do want to just conceal my under eyes. I'm going to be using the shade in Diffuse Eye Brush to blend out this concealer. So to finish off our complexion, we're gonna go into the original Loose Mineral Foundation, and this one is in Golden Dark 25. Using the Beautiful Finish brush, we are going to be doing the swirl, tap, and buff application. So first, I'm just gonna tap a little bit of the foundation onto the lid. I'm going to take the Beautiful Finish brush, I'm gonna swirl it in the lid and then tap it off and then buff it into the skin. And what I love about this mineral loose foundation is that it is sheer to full coverage, so it feels very natural on the skin, but you can build up the coverage. This foundation does wear all day. It does not clog your pores or set into the lines of your face, which is really, really good. And it also does contain a mineral SPF. So now that the skin has a very natural luminous finish, we are going to go ahead and finish off the eyes. So we're gonna go back into the liner brush in Purple Twilight here on the end, and we're just going to use that to line the bottom lash line. But we kind of just want to leave it right on the corner to kind of give us that cat eye feel. Next, we are gonna go into the Strength and Length Serum-Infused Mascara. This particular mascara does give your lashes an instant lift, and it just brings a lot of extra length to the lashes. So to apply, all you do is set it right underneath your natural lashes, and then you pull up and out. And then you can use the side bristles to help to define your lashes. For the very last step on the eyes, we're gonna dip into Harvest Moon, and we are just gonna apply this shade right in the inner corner of the eyes, just to give that cranberry a little bit of a pop in the middle. So for blush today, we are gonna go into the Gen Nude Powder Blush, and this is in the shade You Had Me at Merlot. And I'm gonna take the Blooming Blush Brush to apply this blush to the apples of my cheeks. And what I love about this blush is it is very buildable color. So if you want something a little more soft, you can do that. But if you wanna take it up a notch, which it is matching my eyeshadow, so I think I wanna take it up a notch, you can do that as well. And the minerals in this are very blurring, and it does give you a very soft, focused finish. So we're gonna finish off this Friendsgiving look with a pop of color on the lips. We are gonna keep it very monochromatic today. We are gonna be going into the MINERALIST Hydra-Smoothing lipstick, and the shade we're gonna be using today is Purpose. And this lipstick is creamy and hydrating, so that's perfect for a full day of festivities with your friends. And the coverage of this is full. It is definitely a full coverage lipstick, and it gives a very beautiful satin finish to the lips. All right guys, so that wraps it up for this beautiful fall cranberry look. Perfect for Friendsgiving when you're just hanging out with friends and eating all day. You wanna make sure that your makeup still looks the very best that it can. Again, my name is Maya Galore, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.